Alright, so hey, welcome to another day of Vlogmas. Now, please to ignore the little dirt to the behind of me because, yeah, it is just a complete mess. So, I'm see if I can find somewhere better. But have a little ambience. But right now, I'm there away from my bridge in Kalinsky because I'm supposed to trim and I have some little errands to do. Somebody is saying in the meantime, I just hear somebody say, yo, a while ago, I feel one day for somebody to call me, but I guess nobody's calling me. But I'm going to link up with Kalinsky. Kalinsky just come from, you know, America. And so we're going to do some road. And I do not know what I have in store, but I know I have a whole heap of errands for run. So let's just go. This is Duttyberry Uncut. Jesus, babe, I don't know what I'm here. It's a mess. My gosh. This is a complete mess. Hopefully you can see the transformation like afterwards.
Stores and us, please, and around some discount and take time with the people. Some 5% discount. You know, make it, it's a rough year.
Look like me one of the little corner of band lashes.
Right now. To say good afternoon to you, welcome.
So you give me a white eyelash.
Next time, Thursday, you know, you're going on the road, make sure you check.
We have the chance to call for the big wish.
Alright, what up, buddy? I never have to look so good today.
Thursday, everything in store. $2,500. Yes, you heard it right.
Alright, so my finished trim, as I can say. I know I forgot for showing it earlier. So my bridge in Kalinsky. Don't really watch the premiums. Just because I kinda, you know, want like a different level of slippers. Why am I gonna appear? I want my high top shoes, so that's why I look like I'm taller than me. But
I'm taller than you.
You're not taller than me, everybody knows I'm 6'4".
No, I know some people don't watch your ear come. I see what come here tomorrow, isn't it? And then you see
I say look regular people, like no difference, man, no difference. So I'm gonna make sure it's
anybody will know Kalinsky knows I'm gonna look so.
Yo, the boy just like so vain. But anyway, so I'm on way to Rocket Ship. Are you supposed to be the eye? You know the YouTube thing, no, but you have that, so just.
We can't defend nobody with this.
Security defend people with less than that.
Girl, it looks sexy.
Jesus, P.M. Kalinsky, I know say probably I know already. I'm going to say, bro. Oh my God, it's a sex is universal.
She looks scrumptious.
What you say a while ago? She looks scrumptious.
You hear me say that?
You say she looks scrumptious. You know what scrumptious mean? Oh, bless her, over the place.
What scrumptious mean, bro? Spell scrumptious.
Scrumptious. S-C-R-U-M-P. U-O-U-S. I think I spell it right.
No. Sarah.
Tara, I can't remember her name. Yeah, no, but she's a dancer too.
Dancer queen?
No, like, you know them dancers, she come in a whole heap of conscience music video and stuff like that. But anyway, people, this is it for the video because, you know, me, I rush my content for Vlogmas.
Tell the ladies them too.
So,
subscribe
tell them.
Just follow me up on Instagram, man.
Find the lighting, man.
No, the lighting there. Hold on. Now you say that?
I think I just said that.
Oh, wow. Perfect. Anyways, people, you don't know we're in a factory. Barry, give me this to protect him, because I'm saying I don't want nobody rob him, so I don't want to take out him camera, you see me?
And people don't know, say, you know, Kalinsky are bad people. Like, honestly,
no, in conjunction to that,
Kalinsky, nobody can violate him.
He assume some look like criminal,
nobody
so he knows nobody not gonna rob him. And that's him I try to say, you know.
Oh, yeah,
you see me?
Man.
They throw the pedestrian. But we're there. So, ladies.
Come stay there and see if you can get a thumbnail picture. Oh, no, I have to take a picture of yourself.
Where?
No, I have to take a
Anyway,
people, like, share, comment, subscribe. That's it.
And follow me on Instagram.